Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to go over my Boxyluxe. I just received it on Friday. I know some people receive their box early, some of them are like me, just receiving it just this week, and some may just still haven't received their BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe. And I'm not going to go over everything in detail because a lot of these products are the same, but there are a few variations, and I will probably try to make another video where I can actually try on the products for you. This is the train case that everyone received. This was valued at $20. So, and it has the rose gold. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting, but and then this was the Lily lashes, and I believe everybody received them in, let's see, what was that, Gaia, not sure how you pronounce that. I don't know if it'll focus in. Gaia. I believe these were limited edition, and the lashes are $24.99. And it does say that they are limited edition foam ink. And then I received also the iconic London. This is the eyebrow cushion. And then another product everybody received. Oh, and the iconic eyebrow cushion was $40. And then the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And that one is $34. And then this one, I was really excited that it came in the Boxyluxe. Confidence in a Cream. This was, what, $49, I believe, or $48. Let me make sure. It's $48. I've been wanting this cream for a long time. I noticed a lot of people on YouTube use it, and I just have been really excited to receive this one. And then the controversial Cover FX. The controversy was that the profiles weren't used, and so there were people that were receiving the wrong shade. I got the light medium, so the ones that received the wrong shade, they received, I believe it was 4,500 points from BoxyCharm. And let's see, and I did get the Deborah Lippmann nail polish, Odon and Modern Love. And then this, those are valued at $20. And then the variation on the palettes, I received the 15N Night Master Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to open that up so you can see what it looks like. This is what the 15N Night Master Morphe palette looks like. These palettes were valued at $16, and I believe there was 4 variations. And the next item in the box is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. These were valued at $29.99. And then the last thing is the Becca lipstick, and this one is valued at $24, and I will show you what shade I received. This one is in taupe, and I'll show you what it looks like, and it's a neutral. The shade that I received, the taupe neutral one, and this is a swatch of it, very creamy, and this color looks really good on me. I'm happy with this shade. And that is all in the box. Thank you so much for watching. I will make another video and do a try on. I just wanted to kind of briefly show you what I received and to show you the variations. And hopefully everyone is now receiving their boxes. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And thank you so much for watching.